Hi y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another quick Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for all the goodies. Y'all already know, my strong and soft, 4 rolls, 2 ply. It's a must. So, let's hit the other stuff. Hefty. Yes, they have downsized. I think they used to be 8 or 10 bags, but I still like them. They're good quality, and especially around my way. To find hefty anything, good material, is you're just gonna spend close to $10 for it. So even if it's five bags, still 5 bags, relatively big, as you can see. Storage slider, I think a gallon's worth, right? 5 slider bags, stand and fill, as you can see, has a nice great grip in the baggies. I always use them for storage of my crafts, and sometimes even like special sauces and whatnot. But they come in handy, so if you see it, snag it. Still no aluminum foil by Reynolds, but like I said, always keep an eye out, and if you see it, snag it. Now, I was running out of my sponges, and I still think 6 sponges for $1.25 is a steal. So this is by Scrub Buddies, as you can see, and you always want to really dispose of the ones that you've used. It really picks up bacteria, which is not good for your body and for any kind of ingestion, especially when it comes to your dinner plates. So please recycle them as much as possible. And you can see 6 in a pack. So moving on, I also picked up in their kitchen supply section, and all of this is available in their kitchen supply section. Glad clinging seal clear food wrap. It isn't the typical, I guess it is. Yes, this is the typical saran wrap. So this is great for like keeping fruits and veggies fresh. As you can see, a number of them here. Especially, as you can see, I just bought a watermelon. So if I don't want to eat the whole thing, I can use this. And this will come in handy. Also, I'm seeing online, as you can see, it's also 45 square feet of length. I may use this for some kind of costuming DIY that I've been YouTubing lately. Halloween is just around the corner, so this comes in handy, especially when you are getting creative mask-wise. That's all I'll say. I won't say too many details, but please stay tuned for that if you see anything. But look where I got it, the Dollar Tree. So I picked up 2 just in case, because you never know. Just depends on what you're creating. Speaking of crafty, yes, I picked up another one of their hooks from Jot. Yes, I have complained about Jot before, but the hooks have come in real handy, and I'll explain that in further detail when I start doing videos to show you what products are worthy at Dollar Tree and which ones you should just avoid. So, but the hooks are good. 6 pieces, so I picked up another pack. In their Craft Your Square, I love their vinyl. Their vinyl paper, as you can see, vinyl paper removable. Has a nice, good adhesive backing, sticky. It brings 1 tube, which is 12 inches by 48 inches, and it has this nice shiny effect. You will see why I'm kind of buying all this stuff, but just stay tuned for that. And again, it's in their Craft Your Square section. So I picked up 2, just like I picked up the saran wrap. And yes, I picked up their transfer tape. Now this is for something else. I think this is just for labeling, and like I've mentioned, Chic and the Cheap, and maybe even Bargain Bethany has mentioned how this is a great find just to kind of like, even if you're kind of putting things on like glasses, but even on your like windows and you want some privacy, or if you just want to make sure that the labeling that you're using has a nice backing sticky tape. And look, back in the day when I was a former teacher, this was expensive. Like just a single little roll would go like close to $6 to $10. So if you can find it for $1.25, and especially in their Craft Your Square section, it's a steal. Now speaking of Halloween, they're bringing out their cute little trimmings. This is a ribbon, which I might turn into something else as well, so please stay tuned for that. Velvet ribbon. I've never really seen velvet. I've seen a variety, Never Velvet. And this is nice, really plush purple. I think they have a nice orange and a black, which is perfect for Halloween. So if you see it, do snag it. And I had to pick up another puck light, which do come in handy. As you can see, LED push light. And as you can see, also, I think it takes 3 AAA batteries, which helps, and it's super bright, really does help. So if you do see this come you do by chance find it, pick yourself up a puck light. They're really great to keep like in dark areas that you can't really see all that great, and it really has a great bright light. And lastly, in their snack section, I love me some Twizzlers. So great for movie watching, great for review watching, so please stay tuned for that. So I hope oh, and lastly, I almost forgot, if your school supply shopping, yes, Dollar Tree also carries notebooks. As you can see, it's for one subject, 70 sheets. They come in an assortment of colors, as you can see. So just in case you need anything, just to even jot down some notes, this is also a great find for $1.25 in comparison to maybe other brands. So in a pinch, and especially if you are already school supply shopping for your kids, and if you have more than one, this will save you some pretty penny. I will say though, Target does have, I believe, a more competitive price. I think it's 95 cents, but it depends. At least the Target that's close to me is a little on the cheaper side. But yeah, give or take, you still find yourself saving yourself a lot and going to the Dollar Tree. So I hope you like what you see. If you do, give us a like, leave us a comment down below. Tell me which item did you guys like or you would like to see more of, maybe even review. Let me know. Give us a like, give us a share. Don't forget to hit the notification button and the subscription, of course, because you want to follow, right? Anyway, until next time, y'all, stay tuned for my next DIY, my next haul, or my next review and or review. All right, y'all, till next time, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.